Again, a big machine offering a lot of flexibility.
Yes,
I think that's what we need to emphasise
That's
here.
right. It's really a man for all seasons.
We've dropped into TIMTOS 2023 and we're on the vision-wide stand. These machines are supplied in the UK by Richard and his team from Ward Hi-Tech. Now, these machines, huge range, is that correct?
Yes, absolutely. Vision-wide are predominantly a manufacturer of double column machines, and this is one of the medium machines within the range. So we go from very small machines with an x-axis of 3 meters up to the biggest machines with an x-axis of 10 meters, a Y bridge dimension of 4.7 meters, and up to 36 tons table weight.
Okay, so straight away, a lot of flexibility, but some big components when required.
Yes, absolutely.
But it's such a big machine, is it going to be able to do accurate parts quickly?
Yes, yeah, very accurate. Good rapid traverse rates, good metal removal rates. This particular machine has got a new design of RAM. The benefits of that, it's much bigger in size, so 480 millimeters square, and it's located on 8 points, and you can have an option of boxway for heavy cutting or linear guideway if you've got a mold and die type application.
So again, giving you that flexibility depending on what machining you're actually doing.
And to complement either the different slide configuration, we've got twin Z-axis ball screws.
Okay, so what does that actually mean when you're machining?
What it means when we're machining, we've got the combination of ultimate cutting performance and fine, accurate control if we want to do mold and die. So again, that ideal combination of both types of machine attribute.
So like a wrestler with a ballerina as well?
Yes, that's right.
In very simple terms.
Yes.
Okay, but looking at the head itself, now I'm thinking 5-axis machining?
Not really, Colin. This machine is 5-face machining. The difference being we want to do heavy cutting. So in the one direction it's plus or minus 185, and the other direction plus or minus 110. And it's either BT50 or DIN 50. But the important thing is that this machine, there is no drop off in spindle power. So if it's a 35 kilowatt motor, then it's a 35 kilowatt motor, whether it's got a vertical head or the 2-axis head that you see here.
So whatever material, so if you're doing your really tough materials or your lighter materials, you go super fast or big depths of cut.
Because again, we can specify either a direct drive or a geared head. Again, a huge range of options within the basic machine configuration.
Okay, now you also mentioned here that the head itself, big head going on there, but can you change those? Do you have different options on that side of things?
We've got different options. We can have a simple head changing for the one type of head like this one, or if the customer needs it, we can offer various head changing by program. So that means that we have like a row of heads.
A big train of heads down here.
A big train of heads, and you can select it within the part program. So if you need a head which for a particular function needs a very long reach, we can head change that, or we can put a standard extended head to get close to the table. Again, every combination of what any customer may need. Again,
a big machine offering a lot of flexibility.
Yes,
I think that's what we need to emphasise
That's right. It's really a man for all seasons.
Okay. Now, the columns themselves, though, you're going to have some thermal growth, some issues with that?
Again, we've got good basic accuracy, but we can have options within the control. We can have adaptive feed rate, we can have spindle growth. Every type of function we can offer the potential customer.
There you go. So I'm getting for that. I mean, that's a nice overview of this fantastic machine. It really is.
Yeah.
In a nutshell, though, vision-wide, giving a lot of flexibility, a lot of options. So essentially, got to get in contact with you guys in the UK, Ward Hi-Tech.
Yes. Come and see us.
There you go. Nice and simple. Thank you very much, Richard.